What if I told you that the secret to better mornings could be hiding in a tiny, unassuming seed? And what if all you had to do was eat just 1 teaspoon of it right before you close your eyes for the night? Sounds almost too simple, right? Hi everyone, and welcome back. For the next 5 minutes, we're going on a little journey together. A 1-week experiment with a spoonful of flax seeds before bed. I did the research, I tried it myself, and I'm here to give you the real science-backed breakdown of what you can genuinely expect. Stick with me to the end, because not only will I share the potential benefits and how-tos, but I'll also give you a super simple fact at the end. So, why would anyone do this? Flax seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, and timing them at night might help your body work its magic while you sleep. First, they're loaded with soluble fiber, which forms a gentle gel in your stomach. Before bed, this can help you feel fuller, potentially reducing those late-night snack cravings. But the real star is their sky-high content of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically ALA, which are known for fighting inflammation. When you sleep, your body goes into repair mode. Giving it a dose of anti-inflammatory fats and fiber means you're supplying the perfect building blocks for overnight recovery. Think of it as giving your internal repair crew the best tools before their night shift starts. We're talking about potential benefits for gut health, heart health, and even skin clarity. But a week in, what actually happens? Now, let's talk results. Everyone's body is different, but based on science and personal accounts, here's the common timeline. By day 2 or 3, the most noticeable change for many is digestion. That fiber gets to work, promoting regularity, and you might wake up feeling a bit lighter and more cleared out. Moving into days 4 through 7, the subtle effects start to layer. Many people report waking up feeling less bloated, thanks to the omega-3s and magnesium in flax seeds, which can help relax muscles and nerves. Some find their sleep quality improves slightly. Not a knockout pill effect, but a more consistent, restful feeling. And by the end of the week, that feeling of doing something simple yet powerful for your health is the biggest win. It's a small ritual of self-care that sets a positive tone for your entire next day. The best part is, this is incredibly easy. But a critical tip: always use ground flaxseed because your body can't break down the whole seeds to get all the goodness. Here are my favorite ways to have that nightly teaspoon. The simple mix is stirring it into a small cup of warm water or herbal tea, like chamomile. The creamy delight is mixing it into a spoonful of yogurt or a small bowl of cottage cheese. The sweet tooth savor is adding it to a drizzle of honey or a tablespoon of applesauce. The smoothie booster is tossing it into a small evening smoothie. Just remember to drink a little extra water with it to help the fiber do its job smoothly. So, is a week of bedtime flax seeds a miracle cure? No. But is it a fantastically simple, evidence-backed habit that can nudge your health in a better direction? Absolutely. It's about consistency with small, powerful choices. Your body will thank you for that gentle overnight nourishment. Why not give it a 7-night try? And don't forget to follow along for more simple health hacks and share this with someone who loves easy, natural wellness tips. And finally, here's that fact I promised. Flaxseed is one of the oldest cultivated crops in the world, with evidence of use dating back over 30,000 years. If that fact surprised you, smash that like button. And if you have a question or experience with flax seeds, drop a comment below because I read them all. For more quick tips, be sure to check out our YouTube shorts. Thanks for watching, and remember, big health changes often start with very small seeds. See you in the next one.